Alrighty guys, y'all know the saying, the more you do something, the easier it becomes. Okay, that is the case with this transmission. This is a Pacifica Hybrid edition. Okay, yes, the turtle light was on and it had some weird code. Now guys, we can't just go rogue and replace transmission because we think the transmission is your problem. No, everything is documented. Everything has to be documented. Everything has to be inspected. And on top of all of that, we still don't make the final call. All right, we got to send all this information into Chrysler, and they say yay or nay. So it ain't like the aftermarket insurance company, extended warranty companies where they, documentation has to exist. Okay, but because this is not my first one, this one became real easy to get out of. Now, I'm going to tell you what took me so long, the very first one I did. This is not the typical transmission, by the way. Like I say, this is a hybrid edition, all right? So y'all know I took a course on this. I think it was a 2 or 3 day course. And we had this thing sucker tore apart. Now, we got some new tools, essential tools that Stellantis sent out to all dealers. There are some things we got to start repairing on these. All right, for right now, we just replacing most of them. Okay, that big box over there, yeah, that's the transmission. And this transmission is in here. All right, first we got to get the PM off. We got that off, but let me tell you what took me so long, the very first one, because I was pondering how to get it out easily. Y'all know how we sit there and analyze the situation, try to think of a cheat code, because nobody wants to do anything right by the book. It's not just you don't want to, you just want to make sure there's not an easier way. All right, all of this is just connection, so don't worry about it. It looks like a bunch, but it goes back together like a puzzle. Yeah, make sure the cooler and all that. But let me tell you what took me so long. The very first one, I was pondering whether I should remove this. Yes, guys, the complete cradle has to come out. It's not that it has to come out, it should come out. Now I'm convinced it has to come out. Yeah, I tried to lower it just enough to sneak the transmission by. All you do is bend stuff and break stuff, and on top of that, it's easy as hell to get out. Yes, the rack stays on. Of course, you got to do this first, because if you don't do that first, you're doomed. You just wasted a whole bunch of time, because you can imagine unhooking all of that and your cradle still won't drop because you forgot to take the flange off the top under the steering wheel. Yeah, that happened to one guy in here. I ain't gonna call no names. I'm not a snitch. I ain't no snitch. But we use this. This is technically for batteries, EV batteries, but we use this damn thing for everything. Okay, I got a mount coming, so I bought me some time. Hey, we ain't got a mount in stock. What y'all want me to do? Yeah, so they got me a mount coming. But like I say, for now, we're replacing all of these. But in the future, they got for the problem that this having. Oh, let me tell you something else. I don't know if y'all not doing these now. That's why I say, man, the videos I make, y'all likely not interested in none of this, because you'll never see this. All right, you'll see it 10 years down. Independent shops will see this 5 when the car will run out of warranty. Let me put it as that's the only way y'all gonna see it, when it run out of warranty, because right now it's free to the customer. Yeah, which make one wonder, why is you replacing it? Because it failed. Okay, it's a man-made part. I had a guy in the comment section talking about there shouldn't be any parts for brand new cars up to 5 years, because none of those parts should break. None of those cars should break. I had to remind Buddy of the fact that new car dealerships repair facilities exist for a reason. Yes, guys, cars can come off the truck, off the assembly line. No, off the truck, the delivery truck. The guy that's dropping them off with the truck, hey, I can't get it to start. I don't know. It started when I got up here, but now it won't run. He still has to deliver it. He finally get it off the truck. Now we got to figure out why it won't start. So anything made by man has the potential to break. So that is one of the myth is over, man. Kill that myth about, man, get rid of that old car, man. Just buy your new car so you won't have no problems. No, guys. That is exactly what I called it. A myth. All right? I will show you around. There's nothing in here but newer cars. Not smack brand new. I mean, you might get one trickle in and out, but there has to be a facility set aside for those people. Okay, I don't even think you can sell a new car unless there's some place that can repair it. There's a new car repair facility in the vicinity. I think it's the law. You got to have such. So that notion about new cars don't break is just that, a big ass myth. All right, so I got this thing out. I'm about to wrap it up, man. Get out of here. I had enough for the day, so I'm going home. All right, it'll sit here. It's on this. Make sure if you're doing this stuff, make sure you use some type of safety device in place. All right, but like I say, this is easy peasy now. So the next one, it will be even quicker. But like I say, we turn it into R&R, man. We're not overhauling transmissions anymore. But there's a repair kit coming out. We got the tool now. I'm sure they finna implement the repair on what's making these. I haven't given much thought because it doesn't matter. I gotta replace it no matter what. But you know how some mechanics are. No, I want to know what the hell broke. Yeah, I'm one of those up until my time is affected. It started taking a lot of time, costing me time to that. Then I'm like, forget it, man. Just replace the damn thing, get it over with. Yeah, so I gotta go, man. Yeah, I had enough fun for the day. Guys, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.